Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I will be sharing one of my best pasta recipe. I will also be sharing those secret ingredients that make my peri peri pasta one of the best. We will be adding some oil in a pan, then some onions, capsicum, some carrots and mushrooms. You can add any veggies of your choice or you can also skip if you don't like anyone. Add some salt, black pepper, some red chili flakes and oregano in these vegetables. We will saute these vegetables for a very little time and then we will keep them aside. Now we will add oil in another pan and then we will add some finely chopped garlic and we will saute them a little. Add some boneless chicken and saute it until it changes its color. We can see that its color has been changed completely. Now it's time to add our secret ingredients, that is Shangrila Peri Peri Sauce, Shangrila White Vinegar, Shangrila Worcestershire Sauce and Shangrila Chili Sauce. शंग्रीला सीजनिंग ही है वो सीक्रेट इंग्रेडिएंट जो खानों में डाले असल मज़ा. Add some sugar to balance our seasoning and then we will add some cream. Now mix all these ingredients properly. Now add the salt as per your taste and also be careful because we also have added the salt in our vegetables. Add some ketchup and now give it a good mix. Our pasta sauce is ready and now we will add our sautéed veggies which we kept aside. After adding these veggies, now we will add our boiled penne pasta. Our pasta is almost in the final stage, so give it a good mix. Mix all the sautéed vegetables and our boiled pasta. हर खाने का असल मज़ा शंग्रीला सीजनिंग से बड़ा. You can use some spring onion or some coriander leaves or parsley, whatever you like, to garnish your pasta. If you like this recipe, please let me know in the comments. Take care. Allah Hafiz.